Coming up on this episode of Pixil.info, find out how to create your very own layer comp workflow.
Sponsored by unoob.net, the Newbie Network. Music on Pixil.info is brought to you by Ekin.
So in a past episode, we took a look at using layer comps and how they can help us save time when building out websites. So today, let's take a closer look at layer comps and find out how they can change the entire looks of our project. Let's take a look.
Alright, so let's say our client likes the layout, but asks you to change the color scheme. So the best way to do this, in a non-destructive way, is to use layer comps. So the first step is to save our project's current state. So let's open up the layer comps palette and click the create new button. Alright, so let's go over these three checkboxes. Visibility keeps track of what layers are turned on or off, while position stores the location of your layers, and appearance holds all of your layer style information. In this example, I'll use all three. Step 2 is to change our layout. Now that we've saved our current state, let's start changing stuff around. First, I'll start with changing the colors. I'll be using layer styles to do this. So the method here is once one color is changed, we'll copy that layer's layer style and paste it on other layers with similar attributes. Check out how I can change all of these text layers at once. To do this, I'm using the Command plus Shift key while clicking on each layer. Alright, once you're happy with your changes, let's save it out as a new layer comp. So in the layer comp palette, click new, check those appropriate boxes, and OK. Now, let's switch between the two colors. Alright, looking pretty good. So now let's set up another color. Just repeat the same steps from before. Alright, here we are. It's pretty amazing switching between these. Sort of resembles JavaScript style switching. Alright, so with all that done, let's export these out. I'll be using the layer comps to files export script. If you're on CS4, you'll notice Adobe added a few new file formats.
Alright, and there you have it. You've just created your very own layer comp workflow. So of course, take a moment to create your very own and try to go over the perceived limitations of layer comps. That's all the time we have for today, so we'll see you next time.